Well, while the city debates how to spend the $27 million it has earmarked for sidewalk repair, at least one city councilman isn't waiting around. Councilman Bernard Parks is teaming up with the LA Neighborhood Initiative to tackle the sidewalk problem in his district. NBC4's Kim Baldonado is live in South LA, where Councilman Parks just revealed his game plan, which includes more repairs with less money?
Exactly. Sounds like a good plan, right, Michael? Right now, crews from a private contractor are tearing up the buckled concrete on this sidewalk. The first step in repairing it has been uprooted by large tree roots for years. Now, by using a private contractor as opposed to city crews, LA Councilmember Bernard Parks says he's able to repair more sidewalks in his district for less money and also quicker. He's using discretionary funds that each council member is given to spend as they wish in their districts. Now, so far, Parks has teamed up with the LA Neighborhood Initiative to repair 100 sidewalks, including the one outside the home of Geneva James, who says she's been trying to get the city to fix it for 15 years.
But they said they give me a permit and I can do it myself. I said, no way, no way. So I just thank God.
It's our real hopeful goal is to deal with about 400 sidewalks before June 30th.
Now, there is $20 million allocated in the city budget to fix sidewalks, but that money can only be used to repair sidewalks in front of city property, not residential areas. Now, Parks and the LA Neighborhood Initiative have plans to fix more sidewalks. Their next step, Slauson Avenue. Reporting live from South LA, Kim Baldonado, NBC4 News.